Guys, I literally could lift this unit up and put it right back down. Love it. And that's basically it for today's hair video. Nah, for real though. Hey guys, how's it going? So we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So they did go ahead and send me a curly unit. So it's been a while since I've done a curly unit with them. I'm not sure if I did a closure unit with them that was curly. Don't quote me on it, guys. Just check my hair review playlist and you guys will find a video from them that's probably curly. So this unit right here is very pretty, guys. A very simple 5x5 closure unit, guys. This is an HD unit, guys. So it's very simple and straight to the point. Now you guys can see this texture is absolutely gorgeous. Very nice, pretty curls, guys. Nice kind of like loose wave pattern. Now this looks to be about a natural density, but I can kind of see a little bit of a, you know, oomph to it. So it definitely has a great bounce and everything. So the texture is very pretty, guys. Nice light curl. This is exactly what it comes out straight out the bag, guys. So you guys know today is the same day install type of video, period. Very simple, guys. You guys can see the parting space on here is very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something cute with this unit. They did go ahead and send me like a little bow. So I'll probably do some kind of like, you know, cute push back with a little baby hair magic. So yes, I'm gonna do like a little fun baby hair on this one. Even though this is a 5x5 closure, I'm gonna show you guys how to finagle this one and get it looking right. This does come with an adjustable strap, guys. And one thing I want to point out is you can see how the hair falls over the actual part right here. Even though this is a 5x5, the way they lined up the tracks on this unit makes it very nice and seamless. So you guys can see that this part of the hair just falls naturally down this way. So it just makes it look even more realistic. You're not gonna see anything on the sides, which I do like. Again, it does come with an adjustable strap that I'm going to include on this one and just adjust the hook. So this unit is super glueless, guys. Same day install, period. So guys, as usual, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go ahead and coat the top of this part right here just to make sure it matches my skin tone, and then I'm gonna pop this unit off and put this unit on. Guys, so as expected, the wig fits really nice. Now the pre-plug game on the front right here is very nice, so I don't even think I'm gonna do baby hairs. I'm just gonna do a really cute style and just put some product on the hair because I feel like that's all I really need to do with this one. Now I am gonna trim a little bit of this lace off right here, but you guys can see, look at that hairline. It's like super nice. You guys can see how glueless that wig is. Look at how thin and nice this lace is, by the way, as well too. Very nice and clean. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and do kind of like a little like half like a pullback right here. So I'll take about maybe this much hair right here. So I'll separate this much hair right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hand on this side and do this side. So I'm gonna grab this much on this side right here, just to leave a little bit of hair open on this side on both sides right here, so you kind of have like a natural pull through. So I think that's how much I'm gonna use on this side as well. So I'm gonna kind of pull this back up in place. So I think that's what we're gonna go for. We're gonna go ahead and use that little hair clip they sent, and I think that would be a really cute hairstyle, guys. I don't think I'm gonna do baby hairs because I don't think it's necessary for this unit. All right, guys, so I did go ahead and clip that part up. So what I'm gonna do is go on my hot comb. Now I had to go get one of these plug-in hot combs. I don't really like this one, but because my other one broke yesterday, Amazon gonna take a little bit of time to deliver. I just decided to get this one from the beauty supply store. But this one does pretty well. I just don't like how you can't control the heat on this one, so it can get really hot quick, so gotta be careful. So I'm just gonna basically just kind of clean this up and make this into just a perfect go back. We don't want that definitive middle part there anymore because we want to kind of do like a clean pushback. What I am going to use is a little bit of spritz, because spritz does a pretty good job when it comes to freezing things in place and getting them nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little spritz on this on each of the sides right here just to kind of separate things out and make everything look nice. Now it doesn't have to be super perfect. I don't really like my stuff to be too perfect, but let's go ahead and just clean this up right here. That might actually be my hair. Oh no, it's not. It's fine. So just to clean everything up on both sides, just to make sure everything looks flat, guys. So I'm gonna spray this side as well too, and then we're gonna go ahead and use the hot comb. First of all, the hair looks absolutely stunning, guys. Love the curls. I think the curls came out pretty nice. I put some mousse in it. Didn't do too much to it. Just kind of, you know, made sure that the curls on top look good. Obviously, it is a glueless unit, guys, so I can go ahead and shift this up and stuff like that. So like I said to you guys, I did go ahead and separate that piece out. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use a hair tie and kind of get this into a ponytail state. I did go ahead and pull it back, obviously, as you guys saw. And it looks pretty good. I don't feel like my lines are like perfect, but it still looks cute, period. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this back into a small ponytail back here, just to keep it nice and flat so it has a cute little platform for the bow tie. I'm just trying cute little styles out, why not? This is kind of on trend anyway, so why not do it for the video today? So I'm gonna add a little mousse to this so that everything is kind of like nice. You feel me? A little bit of mousse to the ponytail, just to make sure that it's smooth. It looks good in the back as well too, so I'm just gonna coat it with a little bit of mousse. And we're just gonna lay it back like that. And obviously the bow is gonna make everything look much better. So I think that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the bow, guys, and put the bow on. It's a really, really cute bow. So yeah, I don't know why I'm making it seem like this is such a big task. It's really easy, but you know, you gotta explain stuff when you do it same day install, so I gotta explain it to y'all. And the mousse dried up very fast on the hair too, so you guys can see my hair is like completely air dry right now, so. Oh, cute. I feel like this can go back a little bit, because that's a little bit excessive, but really cute. Let me pull some of the hair to the front. Ooh, love it. Very, very cute, guys. Very, very cute. Love it. And that's basically it for today's hair video. Nah, for real though. Okay, y'all, so this turned out actually really, really cute. Very simple, straight to the point, guys. I tried to put like a kind of like a cream color shirt. It doesn't really match the bow that well, but you guys kind of get the whole concept. I do feel like the bow is a little bit on the large side. It almost looks like a veil. So I would just pull these two to the back right there so you can kind of just get more of the clip. The hair texture is gorgeous, guys. And the density on this unit is just amazing. I feel like it's the perfect density for this hairstyle. As you guys can see, I did not do any baby hair magic. I just kind of like, you know, prepped and primmed the area in the front just so they can look natural and realistic. I feel like because it is a 5x5, the baby hairs will be fine, but I just feel like I was just doing too much, and I feel like this just looks nice and fresh and clean, guys. Very, 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 very cute. I absolutely love this, and like I said, the whole bow theme is kind of on trend right now. Kind of bring like the whole 90s feel back. So I think that pulling this up into the back like that and putting a bow on it just looks absolutely angelic, guys. Very, very cute. The hair texture, quality, everything. You guys can see the curl pattern. It's lovely. Obviously, this is a same day install video, guys, so I did this one straight out of the bag. So this is the type of unit you literally don't have to do anything to. Just kind of part it, use your hot comb, get it placed perfectly the way you want it to, and then you're pretty much good to go, guys, because this is definitely eating it up right here. Very cute, on trend. On trend, take it straight out of the box, guys. Very simple instructions. Nadula, your company, actually really knows how to get it done right, guys. This 5x5 HD closure is very, very crisp. Like, they did a lovely job, but this is a good amount of parting space too. Absolutely stunning. So of course, you guys know this is a glueless wig install, guys. I literally could lift this unit up and put it right back down. Absolutely effortless. Shift it as much as you want to. Again, I did go ahead and adjust the adjustable strap on this unit, guys. I didn't even touch the hooks. I left the hooks the way they were, and I didn't have to do anything. The unit actually fits my head to the T. You guys know I'm a medium to average cap size, so this cap construction was chef's kiss, guys. Absolutely stunning. I did go ahead and just post up a cute little story on my Instagram. It's definitely eating it up right now. Very cute, guys. The hairline is official AF, guys. That 5x5 HD lace, honey. It's like butter, baby. And I know sometimes you worry about the like little pointers right here after you cut the lace off. All you gotta do is finagle it a little bit and you can't see it. Obviously, the way I showed you guys on the cap construction, they did go ahead and make sure that the hair fell down this way, so therefore you don't get any shown lace or tracks on the side, which I absolutely love. So it's definitely a very clean, well done, created 5x5 unit, guys. Like, come on. So let me know your thoughts on this unit, guys. Let me know if you guys would actually rock it this way. I'm trying something different in the videos for you guys, just so I'm not just doing the same kind of units without kind of styling them. I feel like this is on trend, so I want to show you guys an easy way to take a wig out of the box and style it right away. Like, this is definitely a very nice look for like a brunch, any type of event for the summertime, guys. The unit is a nice water wave curly texture, so it's gonna go well for any type of trip you have coming up. It is still July, August, September's coming, so the weather's still gonna stay pretty decent present right now. It's actually really, really hot out here. I'm not even gonna lie. But this unit will do well. It's super glueless, clean. Like, so guys, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you guys are interested in purchasing this lovely unit right here from Nadula Hair Company. As always, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one.